Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 battery drains quickly issue and why it may happen. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A battery that drains quickly in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as repeated dead batteries, slow cranking after short parking periods, or the vehicle failing to start after sitting overnight. Verified owner reports and service information show that battery drain concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical system design, vehicle features, and usage patterns. One verified and frequently reported cause involves parasitic electrical draw. Certain modules or accessories may continue drawing power after the vehicle is turned off. Documented sources include interior or bed lighting remaining active, infotainment or connectivity modules not entering sleep mode, or aftermarket accessories wired incorrectly. Another confirmed cause relates to battery condition and age. Batteries naturally lose capacity over time, and an aging or weakened battery may no longer hold sufficient charge, making normal electrical loads appear as excessive drain. Charging system-related issues are also documented factors. An alternator that is not charging the battery fully, due to internal wear or voltage regulation problems, can leave the battery undercharged, leading to repeated drain complaints. Electrical connection issues have also been reported. Corroded battery terminals, loose ground connections, or damaged cables can prevent proper charging or cause voltage drops that accelerate battery discharge. Vehicle usage patterns are another verified consideration. Short trips, infrequent driving, or extended accessory use without sufficient drive time can prevent the battery from fully recharging, especially in vehicles with higher electrical demand. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software-related module behavior, key fob proximity keeping systems awake, or environmental temperature effects. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing battery health, checking charging system output, measuring parasitic draw, inspecting electrical connections, updating vehicle software when applicable, and correcting accessory wiring issues. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 battery drain issues are resolved through battery replacement, software updates, or identification of parasitic draw rather than major electrical system repair. However, experiences vary by model year, trim level, and vehicle equipment. In conclusion, Ford F-150 battery drains quickly issues are typically linked to parasitic electrical draw, battery condition, charging system performance, or usage patterns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.